Hello everyone, welcome to day 25 of our Power BI course. In today's class, we will learn about row level security, also called as RLS. RLS is an important Power BI feature that helps us control who can see which data. Let's understand it with a simple example. So first, let me make you understand what is RLS, row level security. Row level security RLS is a feature in Power BI that restricts data access for different users. It means different users can see different rows from the same report. Everyone opens the same report, right? But each person only sees the data they are allowed to see. Real time example I will explain now. Suppose imagine okay. Imagine a company has sales in four regions. Let us consider South region. Second one is North region. And third one is East region. And fourth one is West region. Okay. What this? I hope all are understand, right? The South manager should only see the South sales, right? The North manager should only see the North sales. Similarly, okay, the CEO should see all regions. This is a general path I am saying now. Instead of creating four different reports, we create one report and use row level security. Power BI automatically shows the correct data to each user. Let me explain with a sample data. Okay. Let us consider sample data. In the left side, let us consider employees in the left side, and in the middle this is a simple table only, so no need to import in a Power BI desktop. Okay, just I'm saying, just imagine with your friend. Okay, region equal region I'm saying in the middle, and in the right side just consider sales. Okay, and in the employees let us consider Ravi. Okay, Ravi, and region is South. South region, and sales are around 50,000. Okay, 50,000. Okay. And in the second name, just assume Kumar. These are my friends. Okay, that's the reason I'm saying here. And he is working in the North region. Sales are around 40,000. Okay. Next, John. And he is working in East region. Okay. And he got a sales of around 60,000 rupees. Just assume this data in your brain, guys. No need to note it everywhere in anywhere. So in the fourth name is David, and he is working in a region, West region, because this is only balance. Okay, East, West, North, South. Okay, completed. And he got a sales of about 55,000. Okay, so like this the data is there. If Ravi log in this database, so he should only see example of this. Say Ravi, if Ravi logged in his system, he should only see the data. Ravi and region is South, and he got a sales of about 50,000 only. So he can ignore all these remaining three persons. Okay, he should only see only Ravi's data only. So for this he cannot see north, east or west. He cannot see north, east or west regions. Okay. For that reason only we will use this RLS. Okay. Why do we use RLS? We use row level security to protect sensitive data. I will write here. In interview, the interview might ask this question. Okay. Just remember. Okay. Why do we use RLS? Why do we use RLS? We use row level security to protect data, to protect sensitive data. I'm saying sensitive data, and he wants to show only relevant data to each user. Okay. And improve data security. Improve data security. This is the third point. Okay. And fourth point, and he award with an award. Create multiple reports. Okay. Because only in one report we can show you all the regions. So why should we create multiple reports? Okay. Like that we can think that is. Avoid create multiple reports. Now I will tell you what are the steps to create RLS. First we need to open Power BI report. Okay. So this is a sample that if you want this data, just comment me guys that we need to import this input sheet. Okay. Then I will forward with you guys. No problem. Just pass in your YouTube and you can note it all this guys. Okay, like this you can copy it. Now I'll show you. Now first we need to go to modeling tab. Here these are the tabs, right? File tab, home tab, insert tab, modeling tab, view tab, optimize tab, and help tab. So in that you need to go to modeling tab. Okay. Now here you need to go to manage roles first. First you need to create roles. Actually that is the old data, so I'm deleting. Now you need to create a new role. So for that you need to click on the plus new symbol. Okay. Now here see sales data. Okay. Now here you need to give the region name. Which name we are transferring now? South region, right? South region. Okay. And here sales data. Okay. Because this is the only table we have. And in the rules you need to create a plus new symbol. Okay. See this data is reflecting now, right? So here in the column category wise you need to go below and you need to select region because we are focusing on region, right? Because south region only we need to click on. If you for suppose you are working as south region, right? South in region manager you are working as. In that if you click on the south region, then all this data related to south region only should reflect. You want like that. So region column condition is equals. Okay, value is south, right? So you need to enter the correct spelling what you have given in the input sheet. Okay, here I gave capital S, OU2H. Okay. Now you need to tick mark, and after that you need to click on the save. Okay. Like this you
Working on it.
this role. Yes. After that you need to close this Windows bar. Now you need to click on the VS. Now if you click on the south region, then see it will reflect only the south region only. For all the data should reflect only for south region. Okay. If you click on the south region and if you click OK, then it's see 447J should goes to 167J, right? So this is the only for south sales. See here in the sales region, only south region is highlighted now. I did not highlight it. It was highlighted in the region also south is there. So all this data belongs to south region only. So like that you can use as rows. And if you want to previous window, you can just click on the stop viewing. Just click on once, then it will goes into the previous window. I will show you how. Just click on see guys. Like this stop viewing is there, right? If you want to stop viewing, just click on once, then all the data will be appears in the like how it can appears in the past. Like this it is appearing now. So like this you can do guys. Now after that you can after you click on the see here viewers. After you click on the south region, then it will reflect all the south region data, right? Then you can publish this report. You can, if you want to publish, you can publish to south region manager. Okay. Actually, I don't have any credentials. That's the reason I could not publish this report. If you want to publish the report, guys, just go to home tab. Okay. Here the publish is there, right? If you click on once, then it will ask credentials. Do you want to save your changes? Save. Once you save it, then it will ask email ID. See here. So in the company, they will provide one email ID, right? So that email ID, if you enter this, after you enter this, you can continue. Then you give password. After this, you can publish this report into Power BI report. Okay. Then your sales manager, like South India sales manager, then he can see the South region report only. So we can avoid the confusion, right? Before that, you can view all the regions wise. You can see. So the particular region wise, he can confuse, right? He will get confused, right? So now I will explain what are the advantages of RLS. Yes, I'm saying one more time. If you want this report, just comment me just in the below that you want this input sheet like that. Then I will share with you guys. No problem for that. Now I will explain the advantages of RLS. Now what are the advantages of RLS? Advantages of RLS. And first point is what are the advantages of RLS? We can say that it will use better security, because the managers will not see the entire data, right? He can see the only particular region data only. So for that reason, we can say like better security and easy to manage, because I said right, the South India manager can see only the South region part, so it is easy to manage the data. If the data is more, it would be difficult, right? Yes, if you want any interview question also, I'm ready to help you guys. And it is like one report for all users. One report for all users. Actually, this is one report only, but we can segregate this in the report only. If you click on the south region, then all the south region data will only show to the particular manager. Okay. If in the similar way, if you want to show the data to the North Indian manager, then you can filter to the North region. Like how we can do in South region, we can do to the North region also. And we can protect. This is the fourth point. Sorry for okay. Protect confidential information. Actually, if you are working in any big companies like CID, you can work in CID office like that. At that time, the information will be more privacy, right? So at that time, you can protect confidential, okay, information. You can protect the information very confidently. Information. In the fifth point, you can save development time. We can save development time. Okay, only these 4 points we have advantages, and another point I will explain now. Without RLS, what factors we can affect? That is also an important interview question. Okay, actually in one interview, the manager asked this question to me. So without RLS, manager sees all regions, right? Without RLS, manager sees all regions, but with RLS, South manager should see only South region only. South manager can see South only. I mean, South manager can view the South region only, South South only, and in the North manager can view the data for the North only. North only. And the East manager can see only the East part only. And in the similar way, West manager can see the West part only. And CEO can see the all regions, right? If you segregate the data, then it would be easy for us, guys. All regions, all region data you can see that, guys. So now I will explain some interview questions related to this. So first question is, guys, in the final I will give you the important interview questions for the entire Power BI guys. So no worries on that. So in this particular class, I am giving the interview questions for this class only. First question is, what is row level security? And second question, this is dot not comma. Why do we use these questions? You can, if you understand the class, you can easily answer these questions, guys. Why do we use? Why do we use RLS? And what we discussed, some real world examples, right? In interview, you can say like we can take like 4 regions data, and if you want to view the data for only particular region, you can use this RLS. Like this, you can say in the interview, guys. How to create RLS? How to create RLS and advantages of RLS that I already discussed right in this class. Advantages of RLS. So these topics we have covered right in this class. So in the next class we will learn day 26 publishing reports in Power BI. That I already said in this class, right? But in that I will explain in you in detail. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my data channel. See you in the next class, guys. Thank you. Thanks everyone.